Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change time zone in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to change time zone in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to change time zone in Shopify store. So today I'm going to show you how to change time zone in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing time zone in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on settings in bottom left corner. Now at the top in store detail, scroll down. Here you are seeing store currency. Now you are seeing time zone. Click on it. From here you can change time zone and then click on save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change time zone in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.